to have one styling, which is have flex direction. So yeah, so as you can see the view style. Now if you want to style your view, you just come inside this view. Like after you have written the view, like the view component, which is view, and it has a closing tag at the end, another view which is the closing tag. What you just do is you like press enter, so the opening and closing tag separates. Then inside the opening tag, inside immediately after this view text, you just write style. Immediately you write style, it will complete it for you. Like it will complete these two curly braces here and these two curly braces here for you. Then inside it, you give whatever style you want to give it. What I'm giving here is flex direction because I want it to like appear in rows and columns. As you can see here, there is a flex direction is row, which is what I defined here, which is const is row, and there's the two states is going to be rows and columns. Do you understand? Now I'm giving a justify content space between. Like this is exactly what you just need to do to achieve this assignment. You understand? So I'm giving this video now so you can like go through it and do it by yourself, and also as you are doing, you are learning and doing your own researches too. You get? So after that, then I create my three views I'm going to use because the question said three boxes: red, green and blue. So what I'm going to do now is style, like I said earlier here. Same way, style, it completes it for you. Width 50, height 50, barra color red. Like you just do it. You can like just write one, copy it and paste it to like copy, press enter and paste it to three. Then just change it red, green and blue. You understand? Then after that, you now write the button title, toggle layout, give it a title, on press. It should set his row. Meaning when I press this button and the flex boxes are in column, is going to show like toggle to his row. Like it's going to go to row. You understand? That's what just that this statement means. You understand? So you can just like follow this exact step and you're going to get it done. Now to import this, I'm going to go into my index file, come here and import layout toggle. If you remember, in this file, what we're exporting is layout toggle, export function layout toggle. So you come to index file, you import layout toggle from app because the file is inside the app folder. You understand? Then slash app slash the file name. I name mine as I. You can name yours as whatever you don't need to name it exactly as I named it. You understand? Then you now come here. Same way I covered now with team view. You can use view like I mentioned. The team text you can use just normal text, but you need to import them from React Native. You come to this React Native here, put comma, write view, comma, text. You understand? Then like I told you earlier, you just copy what you imported, layout toggle, come here. After the text, like if you need this text, because I'm just using this text because I'm like grouping the tags, task 1, task 2, task 3. So this task 2 flexbox challenge, you just come here, the less than sign, paste that function which is layout toggle, give a little space, forward slash and greater than sign. That's it. That's all for that second task. Then the third task, which is social media bar. First of all, you need to import expo vector icon. The writing is already in the tags. All you just need to do is npm install, copy the at expo vector icon and paste it. You do it here. You write npm, there's a caps lock on. So you write npm install sorry, a minute, let me copy the. So this is what I'm installing. You just come here, you won't have it here, you understand, but it's on the tags I gave you. So you just come, copy it, come here and paste it. So then I click on enter, it starts installing, but I already have it installed, so I don't need to install it again. You understand? Um so after installing this, you now go to your components and create a file called social media bar.txx. So what you come here, import your theme view if you have it. If you don't have it, just import view from React Native. You understand? Then you come and import the icons packages you want to use from Expo icon, from Expo vector icons. You understand? So you can just like do your research and find different packages you can use. If it's feather, if it's material commission icons, anyone you want to use, you just gather it, like look for a particular one that works well for you. You understand? So then you import use state from React. Now pressable, this pressable you see here is just like button, but in this case now, pressable can turn a text into a button. So that's why we use it in React Native, because it's more dynamic. You understand? So I'm coming here now and I'm saying export default function social media bar. Any, like I said, this export default function social media bar, this social media bar is all we're exporting. Every single thing here is exporting a social media bar. So I'm going to come here, cause heart field setup. Like this is just for the like icon and all that. You understand? This const toggle heart is also for the like icon. You get, like, yours may not have this because you might just do your straightforward, but mine has this. You understand? So in the return statement, you are going to, like, first of all, cover any icon you are putting in pressable. Like I said, pressable is works as a button, but now you can, it's very dynamic because you can use it for text, icons, and the rest. You understand? Now when you put this on press, you now call this toggle hat, because I'm toggling, like when you want to, like, you get that kind of thing, like a video, a picture, whatever. That's what this works for. You understand? Then the styles.icon, but I already mentioned before, you create a const styles equals style sheet dot create, exactly as it is here. Give your styling inside here. And I know most of you are going to get this from, not even most, all of you will get your codes from AI. So when AI give you your code, this is just me explaining how it works for you. You understand? So when, like, you have a task of not using AI, you can actually from your head craft out something, even if you run into errors. You understand? So yeah, this is just it. Const styles equals style sheet dot create. You get, then container, all that, given style class and all that. So now, like I said, you import this feather is the expo vector icons package I'm using. It has a lot of icons inside of it, so that's what I'm using. I'm using the feather. Name is Heartfield. You understand? Heart, like the heart icon. This is the size 24. Color is Heartfield. Red, gray. Like if it's heart, if sorry, if it's Heartfield, like when I have liked it, you get, it's red. But when I don't like it, it's gray. You get, that just what this heart feed question mark and whatever means. You understand? Then styles or icon. I already have an icon here, so I'll just, if I want to call this styling here, I'll just say styles or icon. You understand? Then that's that for that. And calling, like I said, when you import something and you want to use it, you just copy that in feather. Come here, less than, feather, space, forward slash, greater than, enter before you start writing all these things inside of it. You understand? Yeah, so that's it. So for the next one, I'm also using feather, just repeating the same thing. You understand? Using feather, share. Two is the name of the action I'm using now for a share icon. You understand? And the next one is material. I'm using material communities icon because I imported feather and material communities icon. You understand? And the material communities icon, I'm using a comment outline because there's a comment icon. Like, just do you, when doing this task, just do